Did you know that you can bury something very ordinary next to your tomatoes, something we all have in our kitchens, and that it will help your plants produce like never before for years? I have been looking for a way to make tomatoes stronger, healthier, and produce lots of big, tasty fruit. I have tried different supplements, fertilizers, and tricks, but nothing has worked like this simple procedure. It may sound strange, but the very thing that is in our daily diet can work wonders in the soil. Plants gain strength. The roots become stronger, and the soil around them becomes rich and full of beneficial microorganisms. So stay tuned until the end of the video, because at the end I will reveal what I added and buried next to my tomatoes, and what changed my harvest from the roots. Write to me in the comments. Have you ever tried adding something from the kitchen to your tomatoes? Which tricks help you the most? Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it with your friends, because maybe they need this simple advice. And now we come to the secret. Just 2 deciliters of yogurt buried next to the roots of the tomatoes works a real miracle. Yogurt enriches the soil with beneficial bacteria, improves the microflora, and makes it easier for the plant to absorb nutrients. In addition, yogurt acts as a natural protection against many diseases that attack tomatoes. Try it yourself. Bury a small glass of yogurt next to each tomato plant and watch your plants turn into real green giants, full of fruit, dear gardeners. Send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you.